Okay, so today I'm going to be looking at this M12 soldering iron. I've had this for a while, but I've never actually used it. I bought it because I do some reverse camera installations in cars and vans, and I thought this would come in handy. You can even adjust it to 45 degrees, which, you know, it's quite handy because when you're under a car soldering wires and what have you, you can be in some tight little spots. But yeah, no, let's give it a try and see how it goes. When you turn it on, you've got a green light just to let you know that it's heating up, so we'll leave that to heat up for a little while I get my wires ready. I'm only going to be using this narrow gauge wire. Usually everything's 12 volts when it comes to doing things on the vehicles. I'm going to put some of these heatsink wraps around the wire, so I'll get those on now before it's too late and I've soldered up. Of course, in hindsight, I should have done this before I actually stripped the wires. It would have been a little bit easier to go on, but I got there in the end. A bit of perseverance, and they got on. Right, now I finally got that done. Just going to twist the wires together and that will be ready for soldering. Well, that was easy enough, and you can see it's done a nice job, nice and strong. And another good thing about this is you've got a light at the front, which when you're under a vehicle can come in handy. Also, a good little safety feature you get with this is that when you turn it off, it actually shows you a red light. There you go. It shows you a red light to let you know that it's still hot. So next I'm going to be using this M18 Hot air gun. Again, something I bought that not really used, but I'm going to start making good use of these tools now because they all cost money. You've got to be using them to make it worthwhile buying them. But yeah, this is quite a clever little tool, this one. It's hard to tell because I didn't want to get it too close to the camera, but you can see how long it takes to actually get hot. It's not over noisy or anything like that, but you start to see it glowing. And it does get hot. This ain't paint stripper kind of heat gun, but certainly for what I want to use it for, it's perfect. Yep, nice and hot. hot. There's a lot of heat coming from there. As you can see. Perfect. Done what I need it to do. Shrunk it well. So yeah, perfect. Hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Give me a like and a subscribe and I'll get some more out to you.